Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: GitHub account, a PAT or SSH key, and Cursor installed. Once done, open Cursor and sign in so your environment matches your GitHub identity. Next, navigate to Cursor's Integrations panel and select GitHub. This is the first actionable step that initiates authorization. Make sure to pick PAT if you want fine-grained scopes versus SSH for repository-level access. You're now ready to grant Cursor permission to interact with your repositories. You will now authorize Cursor. Choose OAuth for quick login or paste your PAT when you need specific scopes. Once authorized, configure Cursor to use your preferred auth method, enable the SSH agent for keys, or set the credential helper for PATs so you avoid repeated prompts. Next, pick a default repository path and adjust fetch/push defaults. Once configured, test by cloning or fetching a lightweight repo. This confirms Cursor can read remotes, authenticate, and manage branches as expected. Finish by pushing a local change and opening a pull request from Cursor to ensure end-to-end flow. If something breaks, first recheck the auth method, revoke and reissue your PAT with correct scopes, or re-add the SSH key to GitHub and your SSH agent. Also verify the Git remote URL is using the intended protocol, HTTPS versus SSH, so Cursor uses the right credentials. If problems persist, inspect Cursor's logs for error messages. They point directly to misconfigured scopes, keys, or...
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.